Welcome back to another Ghost 11 Vice Squad brought to you by the Anadromous Fly Company and Fly Life Company. After you watch this video, make sure you head over to our awesome online stores at fishingandoutdoors.ca or fishing.net or fishingandoutdoors.net for U.S. and international shoppers, like myself. Also, if you're new to the channel, please hit that subscribe button and the little thumbs up if you like the video, and hit that reminder bell if you really liked it. That way you don't miss any of our upcoming content. Today in the Vise, we're going to show you how to tie a jigged, so Euro nymph version of the Rainbow Warrior, a Lance Egan pattern. So we got right here, we got a 3.5 millimeter bead, tungsten bead, rainbow color. Pretty cool actually, I like it. The whole way around it got different colors. And the hook is an R7 size 16 jig hook, and that is 0.02 lead wire, and I think we got 3 wraps-ish of it, about 3.5 wraps of it for that extra weight. So we're going to start with our thread, start right at the back of the lead and bring it up. To the end of the hook length, snip it off, and then we're going to use pheasant tail. Take 4 fibers. No, we're going to take 5 fibers today actually. Make sure the tips are aligned, snip them off the feather. And those are not aligned. Hold, give me 1 second. Make sure you take the time to make sure they're aligned. If you don't, then you're gonna have kind of a messy looking fly. Probably in the end it wouldn't affect the fishing ability, but everyone likes pretty flies. So look at the hook shank length. We actually want a little bit less than that for the Euro version. Normally I'd go with the hook shank length. Euro nymphs I usually go with a slightly shorter tail. So we're gonna go with the thing right there. Oh, make sure you keep them together though. One good way to do this, to make sure you keep them together, is to put it on one side of the bead, the one facing you, and then spin it over the hook shank as you tie it in. That way it ends up on top. A little trick that I like to use. And then bring it back to your lead wire, snip it off. Put a couple of wraps over top of your lead wire at this point. That way it's staying put. And then bring your thread back to there. That way you can tie in your opal holographic tinsel. Tie it in, and then we're gonna wrap it. You could also do this with your rotary function if you have a rotary vise. I'm just gonna wrap by hand here, and then it gives me a little more control to make sure that we have touching wraps here. Take your time with this step. Make sure that they're nice and touching. And then catch it with your thread. Keep tension. Tie it in. So now, since we have it going straight back, thread's coming undone, just give it a quick twist. There we go. And keep your tag end out along the top, because we'll pull that back over as a wing case afterwards. So now we're going to take dark shade rainbow scud dubbing from Hairline. Take it sparsely, dub it onto our thread. Make sure it's well placed on the thread. and then wrap. I'm just going to create a little thorax here, similar to how you would tie a Frenchie. And what I mean by that is make sure you keep the dubbing close to the bead. Don't worry about how messy it looks right now. We will clean it up afterwards. Or don't clean it up, you know, depending on your preferences. So we're also gonna show you guys a little trick here. To dub material like this, it's really tough to get a good noodle on. You can grab, first of all, you can dub your thread and then grab where the noodle is. Actually, we're gonna try that again because I did that poorly. Sorry. There we go. Dub it on, and then you can grab the noodle and wrap like that. Give you a little more control. It's a little easier actually if you get one wrap with your bobbin first, and then you grab it. There we go. Just like that. Alright. So now we're gonna just bring our thread over there and we're just gonna trim all this off. I want a nice clean fly. Being a Euro nymph, you want to limit resistance as much as you can because you want it to drop like a stone. Get down to the fish, especially this time of year when the fish are, if they're not already there, they're getting close to just going straight to the bottom where they're going to hide all winter. Just getting down is very important. Less resistance, heavier flies, way to go. That's any Euro nymphing situation though. So let's put it back over. The rest of these. Now we're going to bring our wing case over. Oh, got our thread separating again. So what we're going to do is a quick twist. And now we're going to pull over our wing case. Make it taut, but not tight. You don't want to cause a stretch in the material. And then one wrap behind it. Trim it off with your scissors. I like the curved tip from Aerodromus at this point. So reach in between that slot and really pull it out of there. Take one more chance to trim it up, clean it up. But, you know, if you want to bug your profile, go for it by all means. You're just going to have less of a sink rate because of surface area resistance. Now we're just going to half hitch off to finish off this fly. And then snip our tag end. And there you have the jigged Rainbow Warrior, which should excel this time of year. I personally am just getting into Euro nymphing. I have a buddy that does it a lot, has great success with these. A couple buddies actually have great success with these. I'm getting into Euro nymphing. I've done mostly indicator nymphing my entire life, but always glad to learn a new trick. Sorry. So, with that being said, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Once again, if you did, please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and also hit that reminder bell so you don't miss any upcoming videos. I'm your Sunday host, so I'll be here every Sunday. As you guys probably saw yesterday, we have a new host, Adam. Great guy, trying to tie some awesome flies, great segmented stuff that, I mean, I tie, but not half as well, so make sure you check him out. Awesome stuff. Great to have him on the team. Now that you've watched this video, head over to our awesome online stores at fishingandoutdoors.ca or .net for U.S. international shoppers. As an Eagle Scout, I'd like to say that they have a crazy variety of outdoor gear. They have all our sponsors gear, which is Fly Life Company and Anadroma's Fly Company, and also a ton of other stores, specialty stores, outdoor stores, everything you can really think of. So check it out. And also on Instagram, on our Vise Squad Instagram, please head over there and join our giveaway. It's got a few days left on it. Hate to see you miss out on it. Great stuff going to be given away. My first 7 flies I tied with the Vise Squad will be part of the grand prize, so check that out. And on that note, have a great day, have a great Sunday, and a good week, and I'll see you guys next time.